Buy Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. Meet the Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL Grill, the Smart XL grill that sears, sizzles and air-fry crisps. The innovative Smart Cook system helps you achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done at the touch of a button without the guesswork. With its XL capacity, you can grill even more large family meals, virtually smoke-free. It even air-fry crisps for guilt-free fried favorites. Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill with Smart Cook System. The Smart XL grill that sears, sizzles, and crisps. Indoor countertop grill and air fryer. Perfectly cook food on the inside to your desired doneness and char-grill every side with Cyclonic Grilling Technology and the Smart Cook System. Cyclonic air and the grill grate combine to give you delicious char-grilled marks and flavors. The Foodi Smart Thermometer continuously monitors food temperatures and automatically shuts off the grill when your food is ready. Multitask with peace of mind while your food cooks to perfection. Choose between 4 smart protein settings including beef, poultry, pork, and seafood. Plus, 9 customizable doneness levels allow you to perfectly cook whatever is on your menu for the day. Achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done at the touch of a button with the Smart Cook System and Foodi Smart Thermometer. Pick your protein, desired doneness and the grill will do the rest. XL capacity can grill 50% more food than the original Ninja Foodi grill for delicious family-sized meals. Grill grate fits up to 6 steaks, up to 24 hot dogs, mains and sides at the same time, and more. Ninja FG551 is a 6-in-1 indoor grill which grill your favorite foods to char-grilled perfection, or go beyond grilling with 5 additional cooking functions: air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate. Air fry crisp with up to 75% less fat than deep frying, using the included 4QT crisper basket. Ninja FG551 Smart Grill offers unique smoke control system. The combination of our chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone reduces smoke, keeping it out of the kitchen. Make up to 2 pounds of your favorite guilt-free fried foods in the 4QT crisper basket. Enjoy crispy foods with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. Forgot to defrost dinner? Transform foods from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes. Dual-sensor Foodi Smart Thermometer continuously monitors temperature in 2 places for even more accurate results. 500° Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air circulates around food for amazing surround searing, while the 500° Fahrenheit high-density grill grate gives you delicious char-grilled marks and flavors, indoors. The combination of our chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone reduces smoke and keeps it out of your kitchen. Superheated airflow surrounds your food so you don't have to flip your burgers or fish. No flipping means you can confidently grill your food without worrying about it sticking or falling apart. Multitask with peace of mind as food cooks to perfection. Includes 1760-watt Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, 9x12-inch high-density grill grate, 4-quart crisper basket, 6-quart cooking pot, Foodi Smart Thermometer, cleaning brush, chef-created 15-recipe book.